Now, India continues its massive evacuation process from Kabul, bringing back Hindus and Sikhs predominantly from Kabul. Evacuation process that's currently underway, and in the latest development, Air India flight with 78 passengers, including 25 Indian citizens, en route to New Delhi from Tajikistan's Dushanbe in a safe evacuation from Kabul. Meanwhile, heartbreaking pictures coming in of Sikh men carrying 3 copies of the Sikh scripture Guru Granth Sahib on their heads, walking barefoot inside Kabul airport has now gone viral. They brought back the holy scriptures from various gurudwaras in Afghanistan. Remember, you have the Taliban targeting people of the minorities. In fact, many of the Sikhs are still hiding in several gurudwaras, waiting to be evacuated. The Air India flight carrying 46 Afghan Sikhs and Hindus has just come in. Now, we also spoke to Afghanistan's MP Anarkali Honariar. She was among 400 Indians who were evacuated on Sunday. We talked to her about what she faced in Afghanistan, how Taliban has wreaked havoc, and a lot more. Let's take a listen.
दुनिया को पता है कि अफगानिस्तान के साथ क्या हुआ और अफगानिस्तान के हालात कैसे चेंज हो गए इतनी जल्दी हम नहीं सोचते थे, लेकिन हालात ऐसी ही जल्दी चेंज हो गए कि सब शॉक हुआ। शायद अफगानिस्तान के ज़्यादा लोग अभी डिप्रेस है और सबके पास एक खौफ है। हम मजबूर हो गए। देश हमारी माँ है और देश को छोड़कर कोई आसान बात नहीं है। मेरे रिक्वेस्ट इंडियन गवर्नमेंट को रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि वो हिंदू और सिख, अफ़गान हिंदू और सिख भी अफ़गानिस्तान में है, ज़्यादा नहीं है जो अफ़गानिस्तान में कितने सालों से हमको 2 ही हादसा हुआ। वो हादसा जो गुरुद्वारा के अंदर हुआ वही टाइम भी, उसके बाद बहुत लोग हिंदू सिख अफ़गानिस्तान को लिफ्ट किया भी दिल्ली में है और हमारी रिक्वेस्ट ये है जो हिंदू और सिख अभी अफ़गानिस्तान में है उनको भी ये चाहते हैं कि अफ़गानिस्तान को लिफ्ट करे और दिल्ली आ जाए।
Let's quickly cut across to Anisha Mathur joining us more on that. Anisha, we do know that a flight, Air India flight carrying 17 Indians, mostly Sikhs and Hindus, have arrived into India. Take us through their sentiments and what exactly is the plan and preparation from the Indian government to ensure that they are sent back to their homes safely, and many others will be given refugee cards as well.
Well, Nabila, let me correct you a little bit here. The Air India flight that is coming in from Dushanbe is expected to land at around 10 a.m. It has not come in yet. This is, however, the flight that will be carrying the Guru Granth Sahib and the several people who were forced to hide in the Gurudwara for several days as the Taliban took over Kabul. This flight is going to be carrying 78 passengers, out of which 25 are Indian nationals. And in fact, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, MOS of the Ministry of External Affairs, V. Muralidhar, are also expected to reach the Delhi airport shortly to receive that flight and receive the Guru Granth Sahib. And here I'm going to ask my camera person Pawan to pan out and show you. A large number of BJP volunteers and workers have come here to the IGI airport with the placards, with the Indian flag, saying that they're here to welcome the people who are fleeing from Afghanistan and coming to India for refuge. They've come here with the placard saying Swagat hai Bharat mein, terrorism down down, and other slogans that they have been chanting for the last several minutes. They will be here to welcome the people who are coming in from Afghanistan. This is now the 4th flight that is going to be landing in Delhi of people who are fleeing Afghanistan after the carnage that we've seen in that country over the last several days. And this flight in particularly is getting a lot of interest, is generating a lot of interest, because this is the first flight where the civilians and people who've been hiding in the gurdwaras are coming back to India with their holy scriptures, who are trying to flee the persecution of the Taliban in Afghanistan.
Right.
And I'm also going to try and speak to some of the people here. Sir, आप लोग सब आए हैं यहाँ पे, उन लोगों के स्वागत के लिए तो आप लोग आए हैं, लेकिन उनकी मदद के लिए क्या अरेंजमेंट हो रही है दिल्ली में?
मैम, उनको वहाँ से लेकर सेफली इवैक्यूएट कर कर भारत सरकार हिंदुस्तान में लेकर आ रही है। और 3 होली गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी की हिस्टोरिक ग्रंथ वहाँ सर आ रहे हैं। हम सब उनको रिसीव करने के लिए यहाँ पर हैं और उनके पुनर्स्थापित के लिए हम सब जो प्रयास होगा करेंगे भारत
तो
की
किस तरह से क्या कुछ बताया गया आप लोगों को, क्या अरेंजमेंट हो रहे हैं, खासतौर से जो ग्रंथी आ रहे हैं वहाँ से उनके लिए
स्पेशली हमने रखा है। अंदर 2 मंत्री भारत सरकार के मुरलीधरन जी और हरदीप पुरी जी उनको रिसीव करेंगे और होली स्वरूप्स को जो उनसे गुरुद्वारा कमेटीज को हैंड ओवर करा जाएगा और आगे स्थापित करे जाएंगे गुरुद्वारा।
So Nabila, you can see preparations are being made to not just welcome but also safely ensure that the people who are coming from Afghanistan can stay in India safely. Back to you.
Anisha, thank you very much. We're hoping their safe return as well. In fact,